right, so this is a 6-piece towel set. You can see we get 2 bath towels, 30 by 50, 2 hand towels, 18 by 28, and 2 washcloths. They're 13 by 13. Special thanks to this company for sending this out to me. As you can tell, this kind of has like a gift look to it. Perfect as a gift for a family member or mother or something like that. Nothing around the box. There's a color. Cape May cobblestone, and that's just a sticker. 100% cotton bath towel set. So let's open this up, see what it looks like. Okay, hey, it's like the shrink wrap stuff. Wow, well that's it for the box. There we go. Wow. They feel very nice. Dang. So these must be, yeah, those look like the full towels there. I'll have to show these to you on a wider view as well. So they'll say that's a towel, that's a towel. And then these are the other ones, the 13. Got the little sticker there. So that's that one. These are the hand towels, I guess. And then these are the 2 washcloths, 13 inches by 13 inches. So yeah, I'll show you these other ones on a wider view here. But very nice feeling fabric. Honestly feels almost like that hotel towel material, that it really soaks up the wetness. I don't know if you've ever stayed in a hotel that had those towels, but that's kind of what these feel like. So that's at least just my opinion of it. And like I've said, on the sticker, it mentions what it's made out of, and that's the company. Let me show you the towels. All right, so there is the towel. I can say I'm like 240 pounds, completely fits all the way around me. And when you dry your hands with it, it really does soak it up like the hotel towels. Hi, Zappy. She noticed that about the towels as well, that they were kind of like the hotel ones that really soaked up the water. All right, that'll do it. Great towels, 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.